So you've heard about all this AI stuff. It sounds complicated, right? Like you need a degree in computer science and a lab coat just to get started. Well, I'm here to tell you that's not true. Imagine you could build your own robot assistant. You wouldn't need to know how to solder every circuit board. You'd just tell it what to do. A custom GPT is exactly like that, but for software. It's your own personal version of ChatGPT. You get to be the boss. You tell it what it should know. You tell it how it should act. You tell it what its job is. It's like having an intern that never gets tired and already knows almost everything. Think of it this way. The standard ChatGPT is like a general-purpose tool. It's a fantastic, super smart Swiss Army knife. It can do a little bit of everything. But sometimes, you don't need a Swiss Army knife. You need a very specific screwdriver. A custom GPT is that specific screwdriver. You get to design it for one particular job. Maybe you want an AI that only helps you write emails in a funny, professional but not too professional way. Or maybe you need one that knows all the rules to your favorite board game. You can build that. No coding. No weird programming languages. Just you and your idea. You're not building the AI from scratch. You're not in a dusty workshop trying to invent electricity. The core engine, the big brain, is already built by the folks at OpenAI. What you are doing is giving it a personality and a purpose. Alright, let's get our hands dirty. Metaphorically, of course. No soldering irons needed today. Building your first custom GPT starts with a simple idea. What do you want your AI assistant to do? Don't overthink it. Start small. Let's say you run a small online shop selling handmade sweaters. You get the same questions from customers all the time. What are the washing instructions? Do you ship internationally? What's your return policy? Answering these takes up your time. So your idea is simple. An AI assistant that can answer customer questions based on your shop's policies. That's it. That's the entire blueprint you need to start. Once you're in the GPT creation tool, you'll see two main windows. On one side, you have the Create panel. This is where you chat with the Builder bot. On the other side is the Preview panel. The Preview panel is where you can test your new AI as you build it. It's like having a little sandbox to play in. You start by just typing your idea into the chat. You could write something like, I want to make an AI that acts as a friendly customer service helper for my online sweater shop. An assistant is only as good as the information it has. Your new sweater helper knows how to be friendly, but it doesn't know your specific shop policies yet. This is where you give it its real superpower, your knowledge. This is the part that makes it truly custom. In the GPT editor, there's a section specifically for uploading files. This is your chance to feed your AI. You don't need to write complex instructions, you just give it the documents it needs to read. It's like handing your new human assistant a stack of papers and saying, here, read these. For our sweater shop example, you would gather all your important documents. You might have a PDF file with your full return policy. You could have a simple text document listing all the countries you ship to and the costs. Maybe you have a Word document with detailed care instructions for wool, cotton, cashmere. You can upload all of these files directly to the custom GPT. It will read them, digest them, and add all that information to its brain. It now knows your specific rules, not just general information from the internet. That's where the instructions box comes in. This is a space where you can write down very specific detailed commands for your GPT. Now for the best part, seeing your creation come to life. This is where you get to play the role of the customer. Start with an easy one. How do I wash a wool sweater? It should give a perfect, detailed answer based on your care document. It's an amazing feeling to see it work. Put a link on your website's contact page. Repetitive questions are handled automatically, 24/7. Focus on the more creative parts of your business. By making AI creation this accessible, we're no longer just users of technology. The limits are truly just our own ideas.